Hi, in front of me is LG Q6 and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this device. Firstly, go into settings. Now you need to scroll down, choose lock screen over here and tap on select screen lock. Over here pick one of the login methods, swipe pattern, pin or password and tap on the chosen one. Then you need to pick one of the options and choose next. Now enter your login method, click next at the bottom right corner, repeat it and tap confirm over here. Now you need to select if you want to show all notifications on your lock screen, hide them, or hide sensitive only. I will go with show all, so I have to click on it and tap OK. So now when I turn off my screen and then turn it back on, I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!